We got headliner. I'm gonna just open it up and spread it out, see what it looks like, and maybe start getting rid of some of the wrinkles. Chloe's gonna give me a hand.
I am. Voila. But you're strong.
Pull that.
What is that?
This is going to be on the ceiling of the Beetle. You're sitting down and you look up. That's what this is going to be. What are you wearing on your head?
It's my new wig. Dude.
Oh, okay. Cool. Let's spread this box. And there it is. Feels really nice quality. I got it through J-Bugs, the kit. It's nice and thick. Silly.
I'm gonna cough.
No, I think I'm gonna just, I might lay it flat somewhere on the floor where no one's gonna walk around and let it kind of stretch out inside. Okay, today I'm gonna put some sound deadening up on there on the ceiling. And then I'm gonna try to start putting in the padding for the headliner. I'm gonna glue it down. That's the plan. First, I'm gonna start with the sound deadening. I'm gonna grab a rag and wipe off all this compound that I have splattered all over the place. Here's the sound deadening I bought on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. It's pretty thick. Got most of the stuff wiped down. My main focus is the ceiling. So I'm gonna start with one panel and stick it up on the ceiling. And I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see that. I left all the paper on the floor just because I'm trying to keep it a little cleaner. So what I'm going to do, might start in the middle and work my way up. So I'm going to actually peel this end here first and stick it. I'm just eyeballing it. Stick that down there. Push on it. So I got that one done. Then I'll do one next to it. Like so. Same thing. Peel the bottom. Stick it down in there. Try to line it up best you can. So I'm going to do these. I got 3 panels I'm going to do first. Oops. There we go. Okay. All right. So once you got that up, kind of overlapped it there, but that's okay. I have this roller tool thing, and I'm going to just basically go along and roll it onto the roof. And it'll smash all this stuff down and get a really nice tight fit. I'll probably just keep going down through the center, and then I'll come back and do the sides because I'm gonna have to cut some things, which is totally fine. that's what the plan is. So I'll put it on time lapse while I roll this stuff out. So that's basic idea. I'm not going to film the rest. I'm just going to go ahead and just keep going. You guys got the idea. Basically stick it on, take the roller, roll it out. I usually go one way, and then I'll go the other way, and then back the same way I went the first time. And just to get it kind of all smashed down. All right. See you guys back here in a bit. Got it all in. Looks really nice. That took me, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. It's really not that bad. But that's all done. So now I'm going to go grab the foam for the headliner stuff and try to figure out how to do all that. Okay, got the headliner insulation kit set out here on my table. So these go here. I got the little section, those two pieces over there for that, and then I got two long ones for there and the side, and then the two pieces that go behind the window, and then the big roof panel. It looks like they gave me 4 of these for behind the window. Not sure why, but maybe I need to double them up. Who knows? But I'm going to start gluing these on. I think I'll start with the, maybe I'll do the pillar first, and then the top one, and then kind of work my way around. I'll try to get a good camera view. I don't have a camera person, so it's just me. So sometimes it's difficult when I'm inside the car to get a good angle, but I will do my best for you guys. I've never done this. Let me make sure I tell everyone that. I've never done a headliner before, so this is my first time. I watched a couple YouTube videos, and I watched a J-Bugs video. So I'm going to just give it a try. Hopefully it works out. We will see. You guys are going along for the ride, so that turned out real nice. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mask off the car, some of it. So I'm going to be spraying glue everywhere, and I don't want glue all over my paint. That's the plan anyways. I do need to get glue on this edge, but that's not until I do the headliner. So I'm just going to mask everything off real quick. I'll show you guys as I'm going along here. I'll put on time lapse and we'll go from there. Okay, I got most of it masked off. Basically everything that I think is going to have glue on it on the outside here. Now, when I spray the glue, hopefully it won't get on the exterior of the car. That's the plan. And honestly, that took me about 10 minutes to do. I feel like that's quicker than having to go back later and try to wipe off any glue that I get on there. So, a few minutes worth of time. Hopefully, it'll be worth it when I get done. All right, I'm going to start gluing now. Okay, I think I'm going to start with this piece here. And then I'll do this skinny piece. That's the plan here. And I'm pretty sure I'll have to trim a lot of this stuff. It's like this one's hanging over the edge, which is fine. So I'm gonna spray a little glue on here. Whoa, that squirted out wonky. I was hoping there was like a different nozzle. That's okay. I'm gonna squirt some here. All right, let's give this a try here. Okay. There are holes that I need to remember the screws for the pop out window. So I'm gonna go grab something, try to poke some holes in there and see if I can do that. I'll be back. But that's stuck up there really well. There we go. I'm gonna put some more glue on this. There we go. Okay. So I did that one right there. Now I'm gonna do this one next, which is this. And it's pretty thick, so I'm obviously gonna have to cut it. Let's see which way, probably that way there. Probably just do this. I'm gonna do this here. I don't know. And then I'll spray this. I'm gonna spray it out here though on the, so it's not. Okay. That's set up. And I just stick it toward the bottom here, and then we will trim it later. Okay, like so. So some glue on here again. And I'll glue this out here. I'm gonna start over here and do like halfway in between the, I'll just do this here, bam. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down toward the bottom. There we go. This thing. I'm gonna I cut these pieces. So I'm gonna stick this up there now. And the other side up there as well. So let's spray some glue here. Package tray. I'm actually gonna spray that now too while I'm here. Let that tack up. I'm gonna go spray the foam for the package tray here. And up there. I'll stick that there. Okay. There we go. Package tray. Not really the package tray, but above the package tray here. Let's see. Might need to move that. Ow. Not a bad angle here. Okay. Get that all the way up there. Oops. See if this will go down in there. Okay, I'm gonna stick this in. I got glue on it. I glued the roof. Oh man. This will start on this end. I don't know. Put it, oh man, it's 2 people would be great right now. I mean, that would be wonderful. I'm gonna do it right there, I guess. I'm just gonna kind of push along in the center and push my way out. Just go up in the middle. Push. It's sticking really well, actually. Okay. Okay. Push it around. Leaves a lot of fuzzies. Right on. I left these hanging over, so I wasn't sure where to cut them yet. I don't know. I saw one video and the guy kind of wrapped it around so then you wouldn't see all those. I don't know, but I'm going to do that after a bit here, after lunch. So I'm going to let all this stuff tack up. Make sure it's good and dry. And, you know, it doesn't look pretty, some of the areas. My razor blade cuts aren't the best. A little patchy here and there, but you know what? It'll be good, I think. We'll all see together. So I did the whole kit. I don't know, it probably took me about an hour total with letting the glue set up, dry, and all that. So sweet. I'll be back